was nice. That was a nice ass pull, bro. Hell yeah. So welcome back to the video, guys. In today's video, we're just doing a quick little POV drive. I kind of want to do a walk around at some point. I'm gonna find a spot and update you guys on some stuff I've done to the car that I didn't really vlog or capture. So we're gonna try to find a spot. Going here. Nobody here, so I'm gonna just do a quick walk around what I've done to the car since my last, or my only walk around video, matter of fact. So here's my G35. I'm just gonna get straight to the point. So here's how it's looking right now. Quick 360 real quick. Not much has changed, but I'm gonna get to it real quick. It's a 2006 Rev-up manual G35. So biggest thing, I got a diff brace. I don't know if y'all can see it, but that shit puts the power down a whole lot better night and day. Here I got Akibono big brake kit. So we got the brakes from the 370Z/G37 Sport models. We got those on the Coupe now. So we got them powder coated in metallic, like gold finish. So when the sun hits it or any light hits it, there's actually gold, like a flake finish to it. So it's pretty cool. But we got that. Front and rear, yes sir. I did put some center caps from my stock wheels, my other stock wheels, which actually ties in because it's actually kind of like a chrome finish. So that's pretty cool. I don't think I had these on my walk around video. So we have that. It completes the whole wheel setup. I removed the roof wrap because it got really nasty. So yeah, the car's hella dirty right now, but we got that shit removed. So it kind of looks clean in my opinion, having the no roof wrap, but I did order another roll so we could do that in the future. Oh, I did window tint. That's what it is. I did 35 up front on the windshield, and then 5% all around. Fresh new dark tint. So we got that done. What else? We got new tires in the rear. We no longer have the Federals in the rear. We have them in the front still, but in the rear we got some regular all-season Toyo Proxys Sport all seasons. So these are 265/35 19. In the front are, I believe, a 255/35 19 Federal RSRR. Those are on their way out, but I'm just running them until they're completely out so I could get these tires up in the front as well and just have all seasons all around. And they grip pretty well for it being all season, so I'm cool with them. I did upgrade my pads. I don't know if you saw in previous videos or heard, I should say, the squeaking whenever I braked. That's completely gone. I changed the pads from AutoZone Elite pads. Those are horrible if you're running drilled and slotted rotors. I think that's why it was squeaking really bad. So I got rid of those, like got my money back, took them to AutoZone, and then I got some Z1 brake pads, and noise is gone. So whenever I step on the pedal, complete silence, still brakes really good, and overall really happy with the new pads. So glad I fixed that squeaking. The fitment, I did lower the rear from the walk around video. From that height I went around like a ½ inch lower all around, so the fronts are actually maxed out. Let me get this wide shot. So the front are actually maxed out, but it's a good maxed out. I kind of like where it's at, so I kind of just leveled the rear right here with the front, so now it just looks really good. Perfect fitment if you ask me. It's not too low, but it's low, if that makes sense. So I do, on speed bumps is the big part where I notice like issues on like scraping, and obviously driveways, but it's always been like that with a lowered car, so I don't really mind it. So it's just perfect fitment in my opinion, still functional. Yeah. I also, for maintenance, I have a couple maintenance coming. I did I got my valve covers, which I'm gonna do hopefully in the next couple of days. So I got my valve covers to do. Got new spark plugs, gaskets. I have replaced the rear. Obviously I can't show you, but I did replace the rear axles to not brand new, but off a low mile 370Z. So I got 370Z OEM axles and hubs, because if you want to run 370Z axles on these cars, you need the hub to go with it. So so brand new axles and hubs in the rear. So that tied with the diff brace, which the diff brace I have is from Z1 Motorsports, is just perfect. Obviously, to make it even more perfect is to replace all the diff bushings with like polyurethane or something, but I'm cool with it how it is right now. Maybe in the future we'll do the bushings, but for now it's really nice. It really hooks in the rear, not too much wheel hop, and it's very stiff from what it was. Also, my axles were clicking, so on some videos before I did this axle swap, my axles were clicking, so whenever I took off from first gear or anything like that, you will hear a click noise coming from the rear. That's now gone due to the new axles and hubs, so that's another issue that got resolved when doing that. That's why I did it. Oh, I did do LEDs up here, so we now have an LED bulbs for the headlights, so the headlights I can actually see at night with the tint. I had the stock bulbs before, or not stock, but I had some aftermarket HIDs on the stock ballast, and I couldn't really see with the windshield tint. So I just upgraded to some last fit LED plug and play conversion. So now I have last fit LEDs on the headlights. Just on the projectors, which is a low beam, that's all I need. I took out the stock bulb from in there because I didn't really use it. Plus it just looked ugly, it didn't really do anything, so I took them out. I did plan on ordering some last fit bulbs to go in there, but it's not really something I'm looking forward to putting on as of right now, since I don't really use the high beams, so it's not really a main concern right now. But maybe at some point I'll buy the bulbs for down there just to have it, you know. I also ordered a idler pulley delete, so I have the spacer and the new belts to swap them out. So when I do the valve covers, I'm gonna try to do that all in the same day, or all within the same time frame, so I could get all that done as well. If you guys want to see a video on that, let me know. I'll record a video on me installing both of those if you guys want me to do that. But yeah, that's how she's looking. I really like how it looks with the tint. The dark tint completes it all, guys. So if you guys are new, my parts list for my performance mods are going to be down below, so check out the description. I have all the stuff I've done to it performance wise. So yeah, car's tuned as well. for new people. It's tuned 91 by Saul. So there's that. So if we go on the inside, everything's pretty much the same in here. I did add a what's it called, a dash cover. It's just like a regular, like, I guess you could say like carpet type of dash cover I got on Amazon. In my opinion, it looks pretty good. Doesn't look too bad. My dash was in really good condition. It's just when I used to put the sunshade in the summer, I did have a sticky dash towards the front of the glass, and I guess over time having this taking on and off the sunshade when it was really hot in the summer, it actually pulled pieces of my dash off with the sunshade, which left like little patches on towards the windshield, and that just really bothered me. Even though you couldn't really see it from like in here in this angle, you couldn't really see it, but like I just knew it was there. If you like peek over, you'll be able to see it, and that just bothered me. So I just bought this dash cover, and honestly, like, it just hides it, and it doesn't look bad. So but let me show the bulbs for you guys that are maybe wondering how the bulbs look. These are LED bulbs. So they're just like a nice, like, clear white color. They're not like blue or anything. It's just a nice white, which is nice. I don't really like that blue tint. The blue tint is not really my style, so this is perfect. I did drop a vlog. This should be the latest video of me going cars and coffee. So if you guys haven't seen that, go ahead and check that out. That was my first time actually doing like a vlog style video. So I'm gonna do a couple more clips of me driving, and we'll call it a day. Peace.